Hello everyone, today I'm talking about the history of the football player David De Gea. David De Gea is a world-renowned Spanish goalkeeper who rose to prominence at his boyhood club, Atlético Madrid, where he won the UEFA Europa League. His career is most defined by his legendary 12 years spell at Manchester United, where he became one of the world's best goalkeepers, signed by Sir Alex Ferguson in 2011. He won the Premier League, FA Cup, EFL Cup, and another Europa League. De Gea was the club's standout performer for many years, winning their Player of the Year award, the record for time, and leaving in 2023 with the most clean sheets 190 in the club history. For the Spanish national team, he was a key player, earning 45 caps and survived as the starting goalkeeper during the 2018 FIFA World Cup. After a year away from football, De Gea joined Italian Serie A club Fiorentina in 2024, beginning a new chapter in the extinguished career. Thank you for watching my video.